Morning, sixth graders. Today we are going to start a project. It's going to be a probability project where you are going to be designing your own amusement park. So today we are just going to be doing a little bit of the front work in planning your theme park. So to get a little bit of inspiration, we're going to watch a couple of roller coasters.
Of the Forbidden Mountain. You'll go to Disney's Animal Kingdom for the exotic wildlife, but you'll stay to ride this roller coaster several times. Expedition Everest is like a cross between Matterhorn bobsleds and Big Thunder Mountain, resulting in one of the most atmospheric attractions Disney has ever constructed. The ride gets off to a tranquil start, allowing passengers to appreciate the beautiful scenery. Once the Yeti shows up, though, we're engaged in a thrilling chase to escape from Mount Everest. This is also notably the tallest mountain ride at any Disney theme park. Expedition Everest continues to blow us away with its gigantic scale and rich sense of adventure. Number 9. Journey into Imagination with Figment. All Disney attractions are insanely creative, but few trigger the imagination quite like this Epcot favorite. As much a show as it is a ride, Journey into Imagination has gone through a few alterations over the years. However, it's always maintained the same basic premise. You can create anything with the tool of imagination, including a purple dragon named Figment. Educational, cultural, and endlessly inventive, passengers are encouraged to let their imaginations run wild by seeking out inspiration. With one little spark, you just might be the next Disney Imagineer. Number 8. Space Mountain.
And anyway, we're on Space Mountain, and Ross starts to feel a little iffy.
Oh my God, he threw up?
No, he visited a town a little south of throw up.
While versions of this attraction exist at Disney's Magic Kingdom-style parks in France, Japan, and Hong Kong, we're going to focus on the American one here. When you're at Disneyland, getting a fast pass for Space Mountain should be the first thing on your to-do list. This is much more than just another indoor roller coaster. It's an epic voyage that takes us to a futuristic spaceport, aboard a rocket ship, and through the vast recesses of outer space. The experience manages to be whimsical while also encompassing a certain level of dread. In space, no one can hear you scream, but there is sure to be plenty of screaming aboard Space Mountain. The ride is even more exhilarating around Halloween, when given a Ghost Galaxy makeover. Number 7. Superman Escape.
He's climbing. Takes me up all the time.
Not like this.
The Superman movies made us believe that a man can fly. Likewise, this blue and red roller coaster will make passengers feel like they're flying right alongside the Man of Steel. The ride commences at the Metropolis subway station, where all hell breaks loose.
It's Superman!
Passengers escape the chaos in Superman fashion, blasting into the sky faster than a speeding bullet. What better way to cap off your exhilarating flight than with the iconic Superman theme by John Williams? Located at Warner Brothers Movie World in Australia, Superman Escape makes all us non-Aussies want to take a trip down under. Number 6. Splash Mountain.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feeling this way.
Disney likes to pretend Song of the South never happened, but that controversial film would ironically inspire one of the company's most beloved theme park attractions, which you'll not only find at California's Disneyland, but also at Tokyo Disneyland and Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. As far as log rides go, nothing can top Splash Mountain. Assuming you don't mind getting a little wet, you are bound to find your laughing place here. It's packed with cheerful vibes, catchy music, and lovable animatronic characters. Oh, and of course there's that climactic drop into the briar patch that always gets us giddy with excitement. Don't forget to pose for the camera and pick up a photo on the way out.
Great, where are we going to find a shower?
Now where do we find a towel?
Number 5. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
Welcome, Harry, to Diagon.
This attraction alone is reason enough to visit the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, whether it's part of the Islands of Adventure in Orlando, Florida, or Universal Studios Japan in Osaka. Simply standing in line is part of the fun as people tour the Hogwarts Castle. Of course, the ride itself is also pretty mind-blowing, taking passengers on an enchanting adventure involving dragons, Quidditch, and Dementors. Making impeccable use of holographic images and animatronics, it feels like we're really flying a broomstick with our favorite wizards. One of the most inventive rides of the 21st century, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey has been praised by fans and won the Golden Ticket Award for Best Dark Ride 5 years in a row.
My goodness. I gave you two.
Number 4, Jurassic Park.
Okay, so you get the idea. So there's a lot of fun roller coasters and rides out there. So for your theme park, you're going to be today is just imagining what your theme park is going to be like. So today you get to design your name and your logo for your theme park. That's your first task. So you can use whatever tools you like to design your logo. You can do it on a piece of paper and you can just take a picture of it, or you can use Draw. You can use whatever you like to put together your logo. Here are some different logos that are out there for theme parks or for adventure parks. You can see they are bright, they're colorful, they have their name in big letters that stand out. They get people's attention. So you want your logo to get people's attention and to make people want to come to your amusement park. So some of the tools, you can insert an image from your Google Drive, from photos, by URL, camera. You can insert word art to get some nice big letters. You can use Google Draw first, and then it'll save to your Google Drive, so then you can insert that image right into your slide. So get creative. Design a nice looking logo. Then the second part of your activity for today is to design 2 rides and a food spot at your park. So you're going to design a roller coaster, a water ride, and you're going to decide what type of food is going to be your main attraction at your theme park. Then, once you come up with a name, you also have to write a description. So this should be a short paragraph telling me what to expect from the ride, why it's cool, what makes it stand out, or what types of food is going to be at your stand, maybe some prices. Describe it to people so that they want to come to your ride. And that's all you have to do today. So you've just got some imagination today. You just get a little math break and you just get to think about your theme park today and what you would like to do with your theme park. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out and ask.